Guide to the dissection of a squid. Number 1. Observe the external appearance of the squid specimen. The main part of the body is called the mantle, which have a pair of lateral fins in the squid. The mantle is covered by dark spots all over its body called chromatophores, which are color-changing cells. Number 2. Count the number of tentacles. Squids have 8 arms that have suckers all over, and they have 2 longer tentacles which only have suckers at the distal ends. Number 3. Locate the siphon or funnel, which is a ventral tube at the head area. Between the eyes is cephalopods. There is only one siphon where water enters and exits. They can also use it to let out a jet of water to allow them to swim away quickly. It is important to note that the siphon is not the mouth. Number 4. Find the mouth, which is at the center of the ring of tentacles and arms. All mollusks have a special solid mouth part called radula. In carnivorous cephalopods, like squids and octopus, the radula is modified into a hard beak, allowing them to tear up fish and break shells. Using your forceps, insert it into the mouth and pull out the 2 beaks, which looks like the beak of a parrot. Place the squid on the tray with the ventral side facing up. Using a blade or scissors, cut the middle of the mantle upwards, starting from the siphon and then all the way to the tip of the tail. Then lay the flats of the mantle to the side to be able to see the mantle cavity. Number 6. Locate the gonads, reproductive organs, which is the most prominent organ inside the mantle cavity. Cephalopods are dioecious. If the squid is male, you will find a white mound near the fins. If it is female, there is a yellow-orange mound or mass of eggs. Number 7. The inside the mantle cavity, locate the buccal pulp mass which holds the mouth parts. Then trail up from there to find the esophagus and then the stomach. Then continue up to the intestines along tube. Continue trailing the intestines until you reach the anus. You'll notice that the anus ends at the siphon, which it's so that waste is released along with the water leaving the siphon. Number 8. Locate the gills tinidium, which are 2 white feather-like structures. Remove them and then place them in a petri dish filled with water. Notice how in the water the gills look feathery. This allows more surface area for filtering oxygen from the water. Number 9. It may be possible to locate the 3 hearts. The 2 bronchial hearts are found at the base of each gill. One systematic heart is larger and located between the 2 bronchial hearts. Number 10. Locate the ink sac. It is attached to the intestine and looks like a small silver fish or a thin black line. Carefully remove the ink sac with scissors. Be careful not to puncture it while it is inside the mantle cavity. Place the ink sac on a clean petri dish. (11) Place your fingers on the dorsal midline of the mantle and feel for a hard structure beneath it. Move aside the internal organs and make a shallow cut on the mantle over the hard structure. You will find what looks like a piece of transparent plastic in the shape of a feather. This is called the pen, or gladius, which is the vestigial shell of the squid. Pull off the pen and then dip it into the ink sac. Use it to write your name on a piece of paper. Number 12. Remove the eye and examine it. Snip the cornea, soft covering of the eye, and dig inside the eye to find and pull out the lens, glassy, semi-round, hard part of the eye.